Hey guys, and it's time to unbox this brand new Poco phone by Xiaomi, and I got it around 21,000 Indian rupees, and that's almost around 290 US dollars or 300 US dollars. And at the back of the box you will get a few specifications: Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, liquid cooling technology, AI dual rear cameras, and a 4000 mAh battery with quick charge 3.0. So that's all. So here you go, the Pocophone F1 by Xiaomi. Okay, so inside this box we have another box which is having a few manuals, I think. There you have the Pocophone F1 user guide and few user manuals. This is the transparent case you will be getting along with this Pocophone, which I think no one is going to use as of now. Next we have the Pocophone F1. It is having a few specifications written on this top, and I'm gonna remove this. So previously I was thinking to buy the black color variant, but then I got this blue one because I'm having tons of smartphones with black color, so this looked different. And the cameras, there we have the dual rear cameras, fingerprint sensor, LED flash, volume rocker keys and power button here. This is the beautiful top-notch display. And at last you will get this SIM ejector tool right here with USB-C port here and speaker grill. Let's keep this aside for a few seconds and let's take a look at the charger and data syncing cable. So there you have the USB-C cable, which can be used for data syncing as well as for charging. Fast charger you will be getting along with this Poco phone. And at last here's the SIM ejector tool. So it runs on MIUI 9 operating system, and I think in future you will be getting the MIUI 10. I will be definitely reviewing that. And at this point you all know the specifications, so let's jump to the fingerprint sensor part. Here we have the pattern. Okay, so add the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is quite small, but there it is. So we have three themes. First one is Poco. I'm gonna choose the Poco one only. Applying. That was really fast. Okay, so it is taking some time loading applications. You have the front facing camera, the IR face technology, which is going to recognize your face. So that thing is good. I'll be testing it and comparing it with the OnePlus 6 also really soon. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so get started. You have to allow the Poco launcher to access the internal storage. So here it is. First impressions, this thing definitely looks great, and I'm gonna check the about section really quick. So it is running the 8.1.0. This is the Oreo operating system, and it will be getting Android Pie by the end of this year. Xiaomi has announced that, so I'll be reviewing that also. Alright, so the security patch level is not so latest. It is 2018-0701. Internal storage is 64 GB and available is 54.61 GB. By the way, you can also add the memory card, so that is something nice. So this is all guys, get ready for some speed test and camera comparison. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay Poco and peace out.